There you go. Hop on up. Whee! Hi! Let's see you go down the slide. Whee! Hi! Let's see you go down the slide.
Go down the slide.
Fast.
Fast.
You didn't grease that slide up a little bit.
Look how happy she is.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hi, Milo.
Hi, baby. You blow kisses?
Thank you. You gonna go down the slide again? 1, 2, 3. Go, Lena, go. Go, Lena, go. I think if we took our shoes off, it would be easier for her.
Well, it just needs. It's kind of a rough surface.
Oh, yeah.
Has a bit of a grip to it.
Oh, you're fat, Mama. Okay, that's enough, that's enough. Oh, I can't have baby legs. Hi, Lena. Can I come in? Can I come? Hi, Lena. Lena. Hi. Look at her face. She's so excited. Here, come on.
Look at her run.
We knew that was going to happen. Hey.
I still got to put the telescope thing in there.
Ooh, yeah, here, I can do it.
Careful, baby. Okay, let's take those shoes off. Ready? Wait, come here, come here. Let's take these shoes off. 1. Oh, sorry, baby. Fell on your butt. There. Now try to go down there. Now you go fast. Whoa! That was fast. You need the mirrors too.
Oh, where are those?
They're in the little baggie.
That makes sense. Oh, there are mine.
You're giving up. Come on down the slide one more time.
Strength and shop, I barely passed that.
Oh, the lasers.
Yeah, a laser. He had to re-angle everything for me.